Hey, Benny! Let's go home. Come on. Let's go.
Dad, why are you in such a good mood?
The toad! This drug toad's gonna pay for everything.
It's another of his crazy schemes that come to nothing. I wanna come.
Oh, you're not coming. Now go home.
I'm burned. Who are you?
It's none of your business. I don't care about your dream.
What do you mean you don't care about my dream?
You don't care who you love. You're used to sorting it, aren't you? Taking care of things yourself. You don't care who you love. It's beautiful, isn't it?
What is?
The day. Who you love, who you love.